Hi, folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with a really cool product from Naztech.com. This is their Xtra Drive Mini. This is made for your iOS devices. It's got a lightning connector to it. And basically it makes it so you can free up space on your iPhone and iPad very quickly and easily. You can store on it up to 170,000 photos, up to 72 hours of video, and up to 74,000 songs, and store any file. It's a thumb-sized micro SD card reader that instantly adds up to 256 gigabytes of extra storage space to any of your iOS devices. It's plug-and-play convenient with a MFI lightning connector, standard USB connector, and memory card slot. You can transfer data to and from your iOS in 3 different ways. Offload space taking photos, videos, and music to your SD card and instantly free up your onboard memory. You can transfer saved photos and videos from a GoPro or drone directly to your iPhone for immediate uploads, sharing, and you can stream and watch saved movies directly from the drive without using a single megabyte of your iPad's limited memory. And you don't have to deal with all those storage issues you have with the device as well. Pretty cool here. We got a chance to play with the little thing, and yeah, it just works like a charm. What can you say? You can save the stuff to the drive. It comes with a nice little keychain you can put on your keys, so you always have it with you at any given and all times. Be sure to check it out. You go to Naztech.com and check out the Xtra Drive Mini. Highly recommend it.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.